Okay, this is my dad's Mac Airbook Mini. He's 81 years old, and yesterday I went over to the house and the screen cover was closed. It's never closed. So I was curious and lifted it up, and I'm going to show you what popped up on the screen and how to fix it. The picture at the beginning of the video is what we're here to solve if you have this issue on your Mac. So I went into his history and I pinpointed exactly when he had an issue, which was at 10:26 a.m. yesterday. At 6:11 p.m. is when I actually fixed his computer. I scrolled down a little bit. I didn't want to click on these links here. I seen this one, and then I seen this one from Channel 8, which is a local TV channel that he watches all the time. So I clicked on this real quick, and then this screen pops up. This is what he did yesterday. Now, as soon as you move the cursor, not clicking on these buttons, as soon as you move it, watch what happens. This screen pops up, which is fake and a scam. Luckily, he did not call the 1-888 number, but I'm sure he clicked somewhere, because when you click trying to turn it off, whatever, this comes up. And for an 81-year-old person, they're like, uh-oh, cursor's gone, I can't turn anything off. They just want me to call Apple support, which is bogus. So he shut the screen down. I'm going to show you how to get out of it. With your Mac, you want to press the Command, Option, and Escape button at the same time. This brings up your Force Quit Applications screen at the bottom left there. The cursor still is inactive, so all you have to do is hit Return, and then Force Quit again, and then it pops you out, and then you're good to go. At this point, I would run for viruses if you have any antivirus software. I already did all that last night. If you have a Windows PC, this is the same as hitting Ctrl-Alt-Delete and then doing a shutdown of a program. So this is what's going on, the attack on our elderly from the overseas scammers. I don't like it. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out.